Aureon, I have a surprise for you! Wow! Do you like it?
Yes.
Do you want to build it now?
Yes.
Come on, let's go!
Hi guys.
Welcome to our channel! Today, we're going to unbox these 4D gummy blocks. Build your own Jeepney kit. Are you excited, Aureon?
Yes.
Come on, let's unbox it now. Are you excited with this? Do you want to build this, Aureon?
Yes.
Let's see first what's inside the box. We have this. And what's this? This is the instructions. And what else? Here. There.
Mga green.
Ito mo ng mga
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Here. Here's our finished product! Our very own Jeepney from the 4D blocks. Build your own Jeepney kit. 4D is the only buildable gummy blocks for your kids to enjoy. Kaya mommies, help build your kids' imagination with 4D gummies. Did you enjoy building your Jeepney, Aureon?
Yes.
Ayan, thank you so much for watching our video. Bye!